Students, so in this lesson, um, our goal is to provide you knowledge about how to prove the conditions for similarity of triangles. Also, we should apply the theorems to show that given triangles are similar. And finally, let us solve problems that involve triangle similarity and right triangles. So, without further ado, allow me to share to you the theorems or the postulates or the corollary of this particular topic. So, for example, in this first postulate, I'm going to show you. So, the AAA similarity postulate, it states that if three angles of one triangle are congruent, okay, to the three angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. So, paano ba nagiging similar? Kapag ka yung angles ng tatlo, okay, ay parehas sa angle nitong isa pang mas malaking version ng triangle, then we can say that these two triangles are similar. The triangle ABC and DEF are similar. So, sa madaling salita, masasabi lang natin kapag similar sila kung meron silang angle na pare-parehas. Okay? So, binibilugan ko dito yung mga angle na pare-parehas. So, the next theorem that I'm going to show you is the AA similarity theorem. So, what is AA? So, there are two angles that are similar. No? So, if two angles of one triangle are congruent or parehas to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. So, like this, triangle A is similar or is congruent to triangle D. Triangle B is congruent to triangle E. Then, we can say na this triangle is similar. Okay, so we should know that fact. Also, in Corollary 5.3a, if the triangle ABC, line L, intersect AB, which is this one, and AC at P and Q respectively, and is parallel to the third side, BC, then this triangle is similar. So for example, this line, if this line is parallel to this line BC, then this triangle ABC is similar to triangle APQ. May nabuo kasing triangle ito na mas maliit, right? So ito yung malaking triangle na to ay congruent or similar to this little triangle that we created here. Okay? So what next? The next thing that we need to remember, if this triangle ABC tapos nagkaroon ng line that intersect this AB and AC, so this line is PQ, okay, respectively, and we can say that ABC or triangle ABC, okay, is similar to triangle APQ, then this line, di ba? This line is parallel to segment BC. So parang binaliktad lang yung ating observation kanina. So yes, now we can say na sila ay parallel kapag ka ang triangle ABC is similar to triangle APQ. So we have to remember these things because later on in our example, yan ang magagamit natin for the following examples na ibibigay ko sa inyo. And finally, this theorem, um, the triangles similar to the same triangle are similar to each other. Like triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay. Also, ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Also, triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR. Okay? So in other words, they are similar with each other. Okay? So, now, let's move on to our first example. So in our first example, I'm going to show you uh, how to determine whether the triangles are similar. Okay? If they do, write a similarity statement and we will explain our answer here. Okay, there is a triangle here, the triangle SIM. So with the angle 65 and an angle here is 90 degrees. Okay. Also, we have the similar triangle LAR with the given triangle or angles 25 and 90. Okay? So if there are two pairs of congruent angles, then the triangles are similar. So yun yung kailangan natin i-prove dito. So the first observation that we have, okay? So let me write here our first observation that the triangle ay that the angle I is congruent to the angle A. Okay? So, nasaan ba yung angle I na yan? So, angle I is 90 degrees. Angle A is 90 degrees. So, we can say that these two angles two are congruent because any two right angles are congruent. Okay? The next observation that we have here, so let us determine whether angle M, okay, angle M is congruent to angle R. So how can we say that angle M is congruent to angle R? Dapat si angle M ay maging 25. So how can we do that? Okay? So we have the measure. So ito yung kailangan natin ma-prove, no? Si angle M is congruent to angle R. So ngayon wala pa tayong proof, pero ngayon i-prove natin kung paano ito makukuha. So measurement angle M, so which is ito, is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 65. Bakit? Bakit may 180 dyan? Because the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180, right? Ngayon, meron ka ng binigay dyan. Meron tayong, we have 90 degrees here and 65 degrees here. So, basically, to find that, we should add these two angles and subtract it to 180. So, 180 minus 90 plus 65, okay? So, that is, I believe, 155, right? So, this 155, 180 subtracted by 155, which gives us 25 degrees. Okay, so therefore, the measurement angle M is 25 degrees. Ang tanong, na-prove ba na ang angle measurement ng M and R are the same? Yes, na-prove natin. Okay? So, therefore, by the double A or AA similarity theorem, angle, okay, so lagyan natin dito. Sige, lagay natin therefore, by AA similarity theorem, okay, we can say that triangle SIM is similar to triangle LAR. Okay, and that is the end of the uh, proof here. Okay, so that's all. That is the first example. And I want you to answer this one. Similar to the first problem, I want you to determine as well if these two triangles are similar. If they do, write a similarity statement and I want you to explain your answer. Okay? So, see you in our next example.